Hello, I'm Steven Gentleman, a developer on Objektgraph, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use attributes in the object diagram. So you might, for instance, want to give this player a name, and you might notice that when you click on the player, there is a field up here that allows you to type something in. You could type the name up there, but that is not a good thing to do because this is not a name field, it's a diagram identifier used to identify this particular node in the diagram and not as the object that it represents. So what you do is you have to add an attribute to the object. And to add an attribute to it, you right click it and add attribute. And you type in the attribute name. In this case, it's going to be name because that's what we want to do with it. And the attribute type is string because that's the text. Okay, so you notice we don't add the attribute to just the object, we add it to this type. So that means that the other objects of the same type also get the attribute. So in this case, to set the name of this particular object, we double click the place where the value is and type in the name. In this case, I want to name this guy Bob. And this player, I will name Alice. Okay, and so then you have a string attribute, but you can also add an integer attribute. So you can add an attribute here and then say like index of the square or something, and attribute type int. And then you can change the value of it, and like for 1, for instance. There you go. And so now that's how you use attributes in the object diagram. In the next tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use methods.